If you review technical service bulletins on belt noise, you'll quickly realize that many customer complaints occur when the vehicle is cold. It doesn't matter whether the vehicle is domestic or imported. When it's cold, the customers notice belt noise. However, there is more to it than just ambient temperature. Take GM TSB PIE0804, which covers 2020 through 2024 Cadillac Escalade, Chevy 1500 and Suburban, and the GMC Sierra models equipped with the L84 or L87 V8. This bulletin addresses a chirp during cold start. The document covers the usual steps to confirm the condition, but on the second page, it lists some very specific inspection items. It advises looking for belt dust around pulleys and applying water to certain areas of the accessory belt drive. The takeaway from this bulletin is simple. Inspection is critical when diagnosing belt noise. GM is not alone. Take Nissan TSB NTB 06072B for 2005-2008 Xterra, Pathfinder, and Frontier models concerning belt chirps when cold. Or Toyota TSB EG026-06 that addresses a cold belt noise complaint for 2016 through 2020 Tacoma models. This bulletin emphasizes the importance of duplicating the condition and performing a thorough inspection before moving on to the repair procedures. What can we learn from these TSBs to help us resolve belt noise complaints? All of these OEMs emphasize that the drive belt system must be treated as a system because that is how it is engineered and that is how it should be inspected. Dealership technicians often correct issues originating at the factory, while independent technicians are typically dealing with replacement parts and higher mileages. In many cases, they're also working with components manufactured in entirely different facilities. This reflects a core principle of accessory belt drive design. The system was engineered as a whole. Tensioners, pulleys, and belts weren't designed in isolation. They were designed to work, wear, and respond together. That's why at Lightens, system inspection and, when needed, system replacement matters. When you restore the entire drive, you give the replacement belt the chance to perform like it did originally. Cold temperatures don't cause belt noise. They simply reveal it. Worn tensioners, misalignment, and other underlying issues become easier to detect in cold conditions. Fix the system, and the noise goes with it.